Hello, my dear lovely students. I am Akanksha Gandhi, as a part of ITRC Technologies Private Limited, are going to give you technical presentation on communication process. So, in today's session, we are going to test your knowledge related to your communication process through filling the blanks. So let's begin our test with the first filling the blank, that is, communication is derived from a dash word which means to share. So the answer is communication is derived from a Latin word which means to share. The second one is the process of communication is dash in nature. The answer is the process of communication is cyclic in nature. The third one is communication is not a dash process. So the answer is communication is not a natural process. Fourth one is sender is also called as the communicator or dash. So the answer is the source. Sender is also called as the communicator or the source. The fifth one is dash is the way which helps in transferring the coded message from one place to another. So the answer is channel or medium is the way which helps in transferring the coded message from one place to another. The sixth one is receiver is also known as the dash party. So it's quite simple. So the answer is second. Receiver is also known as the second party. The seventh one is receiver is the person who dashed the message. So the answer is receiver is the person who receives the message. The eighth one is decoding is the process in which the dash gets the message and interprets it so that it can be understood exactly in the same manner as being sent by the sender, so that it can be translated into dash information. So the answer is decoding is the process in which the receiver gets the message and interprets it so that it can be understood exactly in the same manner as being sent by the sender, so that it can be translated into meaningful information. So the ninth one is dash is the check on how successful the message has been communicated and to what extent the dash has understood the message. So the answer is feedback is the check on how successful the message has been communicated and to what extent the receiver has understood the message. So the 10th one is feedback can be short term and dash term as well. So it's very simple. Feedback can be short term and long term as well. The 11th one is dash is the obstruction in the communication process. So the answer is noise is the obstruction in the communication process. For example, technical errors, attitudinal barriers, and number of barriers that is known to be as noise, which is the obstruction in the communication process, that is it is the hindrance in the communication process. So the last one, that is the 12th one, is dash prevents the communicator from imparting his ideas, thoughts clearly to the receiver. As a result, it prevents from achieving desired result. So the answer is noise prevents the communicator from imparting his ideas, thoughts clearly to the receiver. As a result, it prevents from achieving desired results. So this was the 12 filling the blanks in the form of test. So here is the answer key in case you miss out any of the following filling the blanks. So I hope you like this little effort of creating a small filling the blanks sort of test of communication process. Thank you and have a nice day.